I'm going to get this nature trail. I'm going to do it. 3 years ago, I was really sick and I couldn't, but I had bronchitis and undiagnosed asthma. But now it's diagnosed and treated and I'm okay, so I'm going. The woods is the place where I used to play as a kid. That's why, or maybe it's a manifestation of who I am. Okay. Moss, rocks, a rocky path. The kids are much faster than me, but I'm not trying to keep up. I'm just going at my own pace. I love this place. This is a Kentucky holler. One of the things I love about Kentucky, there's a stream of water down there, the bottom of the hill, and that side of the trail goes up, and that side goes down. So it's a good place to walk. So I'm going to try to watch where I step so I don't fall and break my leg. So the kids are already down at the bottom. I'm halfway, maybe halfway, I don't know.
Go slow, honey. Okay. Over here.
Mossy rocks and shady trees.
Down the hill. Oh, look at that. Oh, somebody's probably trying to get back up. Look at that. That is cool down there. There's a little lake down there. Creek. There's a creek down there. No. Yeah, I bet. I'll never make it back. Luke, you want to go fishing down there? Yeah, right.
No, we're so warm.
No?
What's it up here?
No water down there really at all.
Here's a little wooden bridge. Oh, let's hope I don't break it down. Bismillah. I'm going to walk where the nails are. That way I know there's support under it. This is a beautiful little clearing down here. Picnic tables. I bet they worked hard to get those picnic tables down here. Oh, what a beautiful place. There's that sweet dog over there in the grass. Oh. I think I want to cross the creek. I think I'll get better footage. There's some big wide stepping stones here.
Mommy,
Yes?
what sort of one time kid says on his things? You want to know what sort of one time kid says on his things?
Why?
River. Okay?
Yeah, he's
When
so
I
cute.
said-
Yellow.
When I said, River, do you know the dog's name? And he said, yeah. And I said, what's his name? And he said, his butt.
River's a cutie.
Yeah, he should. What's his name? Hey, Mama.
Yes?
River.
There they are up in the tree.
All right, let me take another one. Zach, stay there. Zakia, look up this way. I don't know where the others went.
Yes?
Mama,
Yes?
now River said that the dog's name is Dappa.
Hi, sweetie.
Mom, is that creek water clean?
Probably.
It looks clean.
Looks clean to me. Clean and clear. You can clearly see the rocks in the bottom. That means it's clean water.
That you could probably even drink.
You could probably drink.
As long as you have a life straw.
As long as you know that the farmers around here don't use a lot of chemicals, because if they do, that means the chemicals run off into the creek.
There. I saw small minnows. You saw what? Minnows. What are minnows? They're very small. Mama,
Yes?
can I go across here to get to the doggy?
Yeah? Just use the stepping stones.
No, we need to get to kill the whole flag. Let's go. Yeah, he left some. Where? Over there with the container. It doesn't matter if my shoe. No, his name is Dappa. My shoe step on the rock. His name is what? Dappa.
Uh-oh, be careful, River. Uh-oh, now your shoes are wet. Oh dear, your shoes are wet, sweetie. He jumped into the water. We'll see Blake soon, probably. Yeah, he still lives here in Kentucky somewhere. Ask Aunt Leah if she knows. If she knows when we can see him.
Who's your youngest brother and who's your youngest sister?
Eric's my youngest brother and Aunt Rebecca's my youngest sister. Go where?
Now who's your oldest brother?
You want to go back up?
Yeah. Who's your oldest brother?
Why don't we just
Mom, who's your
take
oldest
our
brother?
time
I
down
know
here?
your oldest sister.
Sylvan.
And who?
He's younger than me though. I'm older.
Oh, okay. So you're the oldest kid in the family?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, can I take it off? It's itchy.
No, you have to wear it so they know we paid.
Okay, get up here. There's a tree. Inside there.
So were you only child for a couple of years?
Nope. A few months. I was a baby when I got a brother.
How old is Uncle Sylvan? Also 45, 36?
He's 45.
Remember that one time Dad slid down in the
No, he's going to be 45 in April. I just turned 46.
Mama,
I turned 1 year old and then he was born in April. After that.
Mama, can I get it?
The man that lives beside the greenhouse and has lots of daughters and one son.
Is there someone named Clifton?
Yes.
Oh, I know him.
Yes, you know him. Hi, River. You got a walking stick there? What? Run, boys. Run down to the end and back. Get some exercise.
I already got some exercise by speed walking.
Get some more. Get some more while you're here. I dare you. Walk all the way
Wait,
down.
what's in it for me?
Fresh air in your lungs. Go try it. It'll change your brain, everything in yourself. You climbing that tree, Brayson? These are my loved ones in Kentucky, and my babies playing with them. And there's some other people there too behind. Oh, look at River! Look at River! River's a big boy. Look at River.
Mommy,
That was quick. You said no. Yes, honey.
take a picture.
I am. I'm recording you.
Hey, look. Leah.
It's only what?
Look at Leah. Leah.
I'm gonna jump in the tree. I'm gonna jump he can swim. Look at Leo. Look at Leo, look.
Those picnic tables over there are nice.
And he was all the bad things about Stardust Crusade. Joseph lost his voice accent. He no longer says the one accent.
Be careful.
They got rid of Roundabout.
Walking back.
Yeah, Mom, let's start walking. Mom, let's
Look at Leo.
Want to start walking back up?
I got him.
Oh, Leo, take a picture.
Okay, hang on.
I'll climb it.
Okay, Mom, we're going. We're going to go back.
Okay.
Never mind, you can't get through that big place. You might as well come this way.
Okay, now we go back up. I'm going slowly.
No, don't touch the feathers.
They're froze. He's already went. Why don't you just stay here? Okay, well then go down there. You gotta go across the rocks down there at the creek. No, I'm not. Go down to the rocks.
It's a steep hill. I'm taking my time.
The trick is to lean forward. Lean forward, pace yourself. Stay paced.
They said lean forward and pace yourself.
Pass them off to me as you go. Do one of these numbers and do that. Like that, Mom? Yeah. Okay. On your left. I know.
You're all right.
I know. I want to carry her. She won't even let me carry her.
She said she needed help. I was there.
Yeah, I need help.
I'm pausing to catch my breath because I can't let myself get in a panic. I left my inhaler in the truck. So I have to come slowly. Well, if I go slow, I can do it.
We're worried that you wouldn't make it back up.
Everybody was worried?
Your boys, one of the boys was saying something.
Well, I'm almost here.
Your stuff is ready. Go ahead, stop. No rush.
I'll sit on this bench for a minute. Yes? Give me a minute. A minute. Okay. I'm getting there. The trick is not to panic when you get out of breath. I'm coming, just a minute. Yeah, hold on.